It was creative, it was thoughtful, and I freaking loved it.
And I'm a G. What's
Hey,
up,
y'all.
YouTube? Welcome back to the channel.
Today, we've got something special for you. Again, Valentine's is coming up soon.
Yeah.
So, we have our all-time gift favorite experiences.
5, 4.
All day, we have a lot of experiences. Our preferred way to celebrate one another. Some cool experience ideas. Now, guys, I was not an experienced guy. I was a homebody. I didn't used to go out. I used to just chill at the crib, on the couch.
Absolutely.
I don't feel like doing anything.
And I'm quite frankly very content chilling at home. But ever since I got with my wife, we started doing these really cool experiences, and it makes a world of difference. And you create wonderful memories that last with you for a lifetime.
So we've got 12 unique experiences to gift your partner. Besides dinner and a movie, y'all, time to switch it up.
Switch it up.
And especially for people whose love language is quality time instead of gifts.
Yeah.
Experiences are a great gift to give. Every opportunity we get, every birthday, every holiday.
They're memorable.
We're sharing a few of our secrets, how we make it special and memorable with you guys.
A little pop.
Just a little pop. Just a little.
Guys, if you haven't already, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification icon. That way you never miss a video.
As y'all know, every week we're dropping a new video on family, marriage and relationships, healthy lifestyle. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss a video. A couple of things to keep in mind as you're planning these experiences. Number one, think about what your partner already loves. If you center it around something that they already love, they're going to love it.
Oh, wow. Duh.
Let me give you an example. For one of my birthdays, and this guy here does a fantastic job.
I do.
I was binging the Walking Dead series, no judgment. He found a Walking Dead tour, like where they show you the whole set, and we went and had a blast. I'm like, oh my gosh, you thought of my favorite show? It worked out great. This one here is obsessed with like end of the world, survival type of stuff. So I took him to a wilderness survival class for his birthday.
Which you can check out. The video will be in the description. You can see that birthday celebration.
Linked in the description below. We will also link our anniversary vlog and our most recent birthday vlog down below. So check out some of our little celebrations.
You can get some inspiration from that too.
Just to give you a little inspiration about how to start thinking of planning your experiences, start with what they love. Tip number 2, before we give our list of 12, is something that we use to introduce every experience.
That is a note, a cool, well-written, thoughtful note. It doesn't have to be long, just a note to introduce what you're going to be doing or give a hint to what you're doing so they can be pondering it. I started writing little notes. I don't know, maybe you started it. I don't even know.
I think I started with a scavenger hunt of gifts, and that was like my notes.
Maybe.
Or like affirmations around the house, something like that. I think I did something like that, but you did the first date cards. So I don't know if you guys watched The Bachelor, but you know how they do those little teaser notes? I'm falling for you. Can't wait to see you this afternoon. And then they're like going bungee jumping or something.
Let's let our love rise above it all. Peter.
So like he started making me these date cards giving hints about the experience. And our experiences for like 3 consecutive days sometimes or more.
We've done it
sometimes
as much as a month. I mean,
every
it depends.
weekend for a month.
Yeah, every weekend.
He started the date card tradition.
So it just builds anticipation. You can also throw in some written affirmations.
Yeah. And sometimes it's like a full, thorough letter. And then at the end of the letter is a hint to the date. So let's jump right in. 12 unique experiences. What we got?
Number 1, and this is one of our favorites. We do it
You guys know.
every time we celebrate, and we've got several videos of us doing this. Couples massage. Couples massage is always a good go-to. It's
Everyone
fun.
loves it.
You relax. You know, you can throw in little hot stones or the little special oils and stuff if you want. It's a great gift. I don't know anybody that doesn't enjoy a couples massage.
You're gonna love it. How can you not?
Number 2 is a food tour. Now that sounds corny, but
You know the foodie would think of that one.
it's genius. I've been on maybe 3 food tours, and every time I went on them, I was like, why would anyone do a food tour? It is fantastic. Usually you're walking to several restaurants. You have a guide telling you history about either the city or the city's food or something historic that happened in that area and that influenced the area and the culture and why the food is that way. And you get to taste little foods at different shops. It's a fantastic experience. You can find some on Groupon. You can find them on Google. They are one of the most fun things you've ever done. And you learn something, you eat something. It's fantastic.
Right, and it gives you a chance to see the town.
And you get a little exercise if you're walking.
Number 3 is ziplining, y'all.
Turn down for what?
For his first birthday, after we got married, we went to the longest zip line in Georgia, and we had a blast.
You can zip line there for 9 hours if you want to. We didn't do that. We
had to eat.
Yeah, I'm not sleeping out in trees. We did an hour. It was my first time zip lining, and it was a lot of fun. We were walking across this little rickety bridge leading up to it. It was kind of nerve-wracking, but it was fun.
It was awesome. Number 4 is an escape room.
You physically have to work together or you're not gonna make it out.
If you're into that type of thing, have some of your partner's best friends surprise you guys there, because you can't do that just the 2 of you. You need a group of 8. So if you're into that type of thing, go use your brains and bond that way.
You need to do research on that though too. As a caveat, make sure you get one that is a good one. Some of them are way too difficult. Some of them are way too easy. But it's better to deal with a little more ease than it is too difficult. You will remember that. Number 5 is go to a comedy club.
Oh, Jamie.
Comedy clubs are great. You may not always get to see Dave Chappelle, but whoever's doing a bit at that time, check them out. Sometimes you get some funny people. Sometimes they're corny, and you get to laugh at how corny they are, or like, man, that was trash. But it's just an experience. Sometimes we had a great time going to comedy clubs and just laughing.
Everybody loves to laugh. Laugh with Joe Bull.
Mm-hmm.
Number 6, go dancing. If you're into that type of thing, again, if you got a little rhythm, or if you don't mind looking like the guy on Hitch and just having a good time anyway. Number 7
is horseback riding. It's a cool thing to do. It's basic. You will remember it.
It can be scenic
and romantic. Yeah, it's
and you
cool.
can throw in a picnic.
You can throw in a picnic. You can get some sightseeing. Real cool pointers if you're away for this and you're in an island place, you can do it in the water sometimes. We did that for our honeymoon, actually.
Where the horses start swimming a little bit.
It's really cool. But even if you don't got water nearby, you can just ride a horse, and it's a lot of fun. Number 8, axe throwing. This is something that's getting real popular nowadays.
Don't go when you're mad at each other now.
We don't want you on the news. But axe throwing is growing in popularity. It's affordable. It's fun. You can let out some pent up frustration and stress relief.
But just nice to have new experiences. So, haven't done it before? Do it together. Number 9 is a self-guided art tour. This is if you're looking for something free, because of course you can pay for a guide. But in one of our series of events, my husband surprised me with get this, he took it to the next level, a self-guided art tour that ended at the restaurant where my surprise party was. So we literally walked through the city looking at all of this beautiful art, found it on Google.
Yep.
We're navigating together, we're enjoying the art together. We landed our final destination that is right across the street from the restaurant with live music. It was creative, it was thoughtful, and I freaking loved it.
And I'm a G.
That he is.
Number 10
is a paint night. Bring your own snacks, beverages. Painting is a relaxing, romantic date with a memory that you can take home.
Number 11 is a cooking class. You can make it extra special by choosing a type of cuisine that your partner loves and maybe doesn't know how to make. Or maybe they've been waiting on you to make it and you need a little extra help. Either way, let's say they love Italian cuisine. Go check out a cooking class that will teach you how to make the best veal parmesan or something like that. Have some fun with it. And last but not least, which is my favorite, a unique Airbnb overnight stay. So hubby here hooked me up with a night in a romantic treehouse. It was right here in Georgia, but over in Kennesaw, Georgia. We'll link it down below. It was a fabulous experience. You felt like you were out in some enchanted forest, and there's bamboo, and there's a creek, and there's little lights, and then there's a bridge for us to walk over, and then a little tower where we were able to do like a hunt for treasure or something like that. It was so romantic. There's no television, so there's only connection. Our connection is the main event.
It was a lot of fun. It was really, really cool. Very, very smooth.
You can check out like unique Airbnb experiences, not just a nice house, but what's something memorable. Go make a memory with your partner.
That's right. And that's a great one. That was a great memory. Well, guys, thanks so much for checking out our video on 12 unique experiences to gift your partner. And hopefully you enjoyed this video. If you want more videos and content like that, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell for notifications. And we will be dropping videos like this every single week. Until next time, guys, peace
And love.